Hello everyone, my name is Emily Bache. Welcome to my course, Unit Testing in Python. I am a technical agile coach. That means I help teams of developers to improve the way they write code, particularly by writing better tests. This course builds on the Python Fundamentals course, going through how to write unit tests. That is, tests that verify your code works the way you think it should. Unit testing is a great way to foster quality and enhance collaboration with other developers. Some of the major topics that we will cover include popular unit test frameworks in Python, test case design principles, using mocks, stubs and fakes, and measuring test coverage. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write unit tests in good style and hopefully avoid the embarrassment of anyone else finding bugs in your code. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the fundamentals of writing Python and how to install third-party Python modules using pip. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to write unit tests with the Unit Testing in Python course at Pluralsight.